Good morning, welcome back, and thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. In our today's video, we are going to discuss some do it by yourself wooden furniture and home decor woodworking project ideas with you people. So let's get started. Do it by yourself wooden furniture and the home decor ideas to elevate your space. Wooden furniture and the home decor have a timeless and a rustic charm that can instantly transform your living space into a warm and inviting haven. Whether you are a seasonal do-it-by-yourself enthusiast or a beginner or are looking for embark on creative project, working with food can both satisfying and rewarding. In this video, we will explore a range of do-it-by-yourself wooden project, furniture and home decor ideas that will infuse your personality and style your home in a better way. Upgrade your bedroom with do-it-by-yourself wooden headboard and the furniture. Create a rustic and a cozy atmosphere by crafting a headboard from reclaimed wood, pallet or the barn wood, and sand the wood and finish it to enhance its natural beauty. Mount it surely to the wall to attach it to your bed frame for charming and the rustic focal point. Rustic collection and the wooden coffee table can be a beautiful and a functional addition to your living room. To create one, find a wooden pallet and the reclaimed wood and cut it into your desired size. Smooth your surfaces and stain it with the wood finish of your choice. Add some decorative legs and the casters to elevate your look. You can also get creative with the table shapes and add a glass top on your unique twist. Floating wooden shelf are a rustic way to add a storage and the display space to any room. To make this, cut wooden board to your desired size and the length and sand them out and the edges and achieve a polished look. Mount metal bracket or the wooden shelf bracket to the wall and slide the wooden boards onto them, and you can leave the wood natural for minimalist look or paint and stain it to match your decor style. Personalize your space with a custom wooden picture frame. You can make simple frame by cutting wooden stripes to your desired dimension, measuring it to the corner and securing them with a wood glue and the board nails. Sand and finish the frame with the paint and stain to match your home decor and the interior design. This frame will give you beautiful memories of beautiful and rustic backdrop. Add a touch of nature to your home decor by crafting a wood plant stand. For this project, you will need a wooden dowels and a piece of lumber. Create a geometric and a beautiful design by assembling the wood pieces with screw and the wooden glue. Paint and stain the add in a color that complement your indoor plants place and its your living space, bedroom or kitchen to showcase your greenery. Express your creativity with wooden wall art. You can cut wooden panels into various shapes, sizes, paint them with a striking design and the inspirational chords, and arrange them in a visually appealing pattern to your wall. This project allows you to change the entire vibes of room with the custom and made eye-catching pieces of art. Wooden furniture and the home decor projects can be a fascinating and a fantastic way to infuse your personality and style to your living space, while also improving do-it-by-yourself skill. Whether you are a seasonal worker and a beginner looking for a fun and a creative project, there is no shortage of ideas to explore. By following these do-it-by-yourself wooden furniture and the home decor ideas, you can transform your home into a warm and inviting haven that reflects your unique taste and the preferences. So grab your tool, pick your favorite wood and start creating your personalized future and the wooden furniture wonders today. You can also protect your furniture by adding a touch of style, and the wooden coaster cut wooden circles, square and sand the edges and decorate them with a paint wood binding or the decoupage techniques. This custom coaster can be a great conversation starter during gathering and a meal wonderful gift. Design a unique and eye-catching wall clock with a different wooden frame. You can purchase a clock mechanism and hand to repurpose a wooden clock and update with a wooden frame to match your decor. Consider experience with the different wooden stain, size, clock faces design to create a one-of-a-kind timepiece of your home decor. Craft a wooden serving tray that both functional and beautiful. Choose a wooden board or a panel to add a handle to make it easy to carry. Customize the design by painting, staining, or decoupaging the trays. It is a particular and the practical addition to your kitchen and a lovely way to serve breakfast on your bed. Do it by yourself furniture and the home decor project offer endless opportunities to showcase your creativity and add a personal touch to your living space. These ideas are just the beginning of your new can mix the furniture techniques, style, finishes to create an item that truly reflects your personality and the styles. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or the beginner, the satisfaction of crafting your own wooden wonders and enhancing the beauty of your home aesthetic is always worth the efforts. So let your imagination run wild and start your next woodworking project with a new hope. A custom woodworking bookshelf can be a functional and eye-catching addition to your home. You can design a simple or the intricate bookshelf depending upon your woodworking skill and the preferences. Customize it with the various size shelf and finishes to suit your home decor and the storage needs. Create a multifunctional pieces of furniture by building a wooden benches with hidden storage. Do it by yourself project in ideal for entryway or the bedroom. You can also use it to store shoes, blankets, or even their item and need designated places. Finish the benches with the cushions or pillows to add the comfort and the style. Upgrade your kitchen decor with the wooden utensil. Craft a stylish container with a section of your cooking utensils, cutlery, and even a potted herbs. Paint or stain the wood to match your kitchen color scheme and arrange your kitchen tool in an organized and a visually appealing way. Wooden wall hooks can be both functional and decorative. You can create charming wall-mounted hooks for hanging coats, hats, and even for the jewelries. Add a creative twist by using different shapes and designs such as animal, geometric pattern, or letter that spell out word or the names. Enhance your bedroom and the bathroom decor with a handmade wooden mirror. Design a unique frame using reclaimed wood, driftwood, or the other interesting materials. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and the finishes to create a mirror that becomes a focal point in any room. Bring a touch of greenery to your home by crafting wooden plant hanger. This can be a simple or the intricate depending on your woodworking skill. Hang potted plants or the succulents for the ceiling or a wall for a delightful and the natural home decor element. Elevate the look of your furniture by replacing standing drawers pull or the knob with custom wooden ones. Create a unique and beautiful drawer pull by carving, painting, and using wood burning techniques. This small change can be have a big impact on your overall aesthetic of your furniture pieces.